Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial on how to set up an automated email in your Wix site. My name is Ruth Ann Bowen, and if you are a female entrepreneur and you're looking to get more tips and tricks and advice on your website and your business, please feel free to check me out over on Wix Design Her, and I'll put the link in the information below that will take you right to it. So to get started on setting up your automated email, you're going to sign into your account and your dashboard is going to open up and you're going to select and edit the site that you want to set up your automated email response on. So when you do that, it's going to take you to your dashboard, and you can see here over on the left-hand side, we're on the dashboard. And what you want to do is you want to, first of all, you want to set up your Get Subscribe button on your website. Because if you don't do this, then it's not going to show up where you need it to under the automations. So this is an important step. So if you haven't done this yet and you've been banging your head against the wall trying to figure out how to do this automated thing, this is the first step. You're going to set up your email subscribe button. And as soon as my editor loads here, I will show you very quickly how to do that. It's really easy. As you know, everything in Wix is really easy to do. So we're basically going to come on over to here where our add button is. Now I actually already have this on my site. We'll just scroll down real quick and I'll show you. So here is my Get Subscriber. This was for my demo, but we don't need that anymore. So here's my Get Subscriber button right here. To add it, you're just going to come over here to your left-hand sidebar and you're going to click Add. And you'll just scroll down to Contact. And when you click on Contact, you can come down to the second button on the right here and you're going to see Get Subscribers. So all you'll need to do is just drag this to your site. And then once this loads, you can go ahead and take the time to design it in such a way so that it matches the design of your site. And the way to do that, just real briefly, is to click on Settings. You're going to come over here to Design. And in the background here, you can click on whatever it is you need to change, whether it's the button or the fields or the border. This is where you're going to design this so that it fits with the theme of your site. Okay, so now you've added your email subscribe button, so we can get out of this. So we'll come up to Site and we're going to exit the editor. And that is going to bring us back to our dashboard where all the magic is going to happen for setting up our automated email. So again, just select and edit your site if you have more than one. And again, the dashboard will open up and we are going to go to Contacts and CRM. And then we're going to go to Automations. All of this is on the left-hand side. You'll see it in the banner that pops up. And what this does is it opens up the ability for you to set up an automated email response. And it gives you some options. So you can thank visitors, you can invite new contacts to subscribe, you can welcome new site members if you have that on your site. And here is the one that we want because we just added our subscriber button. So we want to welcome our new subscribers. So click Use this automation and it will again take you to another dashboard. And it's going to take you through three things that you need to do. First of all, you need to choose a trigger. So when you click on this, you have a variety of different triggers that you can set. You want to set the one to subscribes to a mailing list. And you'll see it tells you it works with the Get Subscribers app. So that's the one that we want. Then you can scroll down and you're going to choose an action. And we want to send email to visitors. So you're going to click on Send Email to Visitors. And then you're going to create that email. So here I have my template. We're going to edit my template. So you click on the template that you're going to use. and it will open up in the back end. And here is where you can edit this template. So you're going to edit your template, and this is going to be what is sent to people automatically when we're done setting all of this up. Okay, so we're just going to go back to automations. So you'll have that all set up the way you want. You can say thank you. You can also include a download. If you want to include a free PDF for them to download, actually, I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's come back here to our template, because this is kind of a biggie. A lot of people would like to send their email subscribers a nice little thank you. So a lot of times they'll send them a freebie. And a lot of times that freebie is a downloadable PDF. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a button. You can see right here it says button. So we're going to add a button. And we'll just put get your free PDF download. And you can name this whatever it is that you, oops, I wasn't done. Whatever you want, whatever your download is. Okay, then we're going to link, see it has link to a web address. We're going to link to the document. And then when you click on choose document, it's going to take you to your files. And when this opens up, whatever files I've loaded in here, I'm actually not even sure. Oh, I do have some. Okay. So I'm just going to click on mailing to PDF. You just click on whichever one you're going to use, and you're going to add it to this. And you'll see here's where it's going to show up. And you just hit apply. So now, when your subscriber gets this email, they're going to be able to download whatever PDF you have connected to your button. Okay, now we'll go back to automations. And now is where you set, the third thing you're going to do is set the timing for when this email is going to go out. So we have subscribes to your email list. We have send your email to the visitors. We're creating your email. We have our email template that has our free PDF download. And now you're going to choose the time. So you can choose whatever time you want. You can set a custom time if you'd like. You can send after 7 days. I'm going to send mine immediately. So what will happen is if somebody signs up for this particular email subscription, they will immediately get this email that I have set up with that free PDF download. And then last but not least, you click activate, and there you have it. Your automatic email response is all set. So thanks for joining me. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments, because I do respond to those. And I hope you have a very successful email list building. Bye-bye.